Welcome to my unboxing video. This is on this AM-TT50 tripod. Just got this in the mail. It's a little travel tripod for my camera and my iPhone. And we're taking a little trip, and I wanted to have a nice little tripod to take with me, take my pictures, since I take a lot of pictures and do a lot of YouTube. So let's see what's in here. I just got this in the mail a bit ago. And it wasn't very well packed, actually. It was open, so open, all the pieces are here. It's like a lot of stuff you get in the mail these days is not well packed. Kind of scary. Okay, let's see, here's a little tripod. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see how this works. Fold it back like that. Okay, these little things. I read a little bit about this and had some pretty good reviews, which is always a good thing. And it, okay. So those click, looks like you click and move these up and down and get different positions, got some standard positions. Okay, feels pretty sturdy. I mean, it feels pretty solid right now. So this is the basic, let's see, this, okay, adjust that to tighten that position there. So put that in that position. Now, if you're gonna rotate it, looks like you loosen this, you can rotate it in azimuth. It's got little degree markers on here, which is pretty neat. So that tells you where you're at. Also, I noticed it's got this little bubble on there, so you can loosen this up. And it looks like you can level this. Well, I thought that was to loosen that. Yeah, there it is. I'll have to play with that to get that level. Okay, and so this is the quick release shoe here. It looks like you unloosen this, and that comes out. Okay, now I've got my camera. My Kodak camera is what I want to take on the trip, so I want to make sure this is designed to hold a lot more weight than just this. But what I want to do is hook this up here. This will be my adapter for the camera. And I probably should have a screwdriver to tighten that up, because it's not going to tighten very well without a screwdriver or a butter knife or something. Okay, there we go. It's on there fairly good. Good enough to show how it works. Okay, so now it looks like we're going to just open this up again, put that in there. Aha. Now I'll tighten up this screw. Okay, looks like it feels fairly stable, just not really tightening that very well. So that's a good thing. And then I can rotate it around, take a picture of whatever I want. And then if I want to change the angle, loosen this, tighten it like this. I'm going to take a sky picture, which I do take a lot of night pictures of stars and planets and stuff like that. So that's a neat thing. So far so good. Of course I haven't used it yet. Take this back up straight. I'm going to unleash this, loosen this, take that off of there. Now I want to see what the legs are like here. Okay, you twist to the left and extend, and then it looks like if I push it to tighten this to the right, it kind of locks it in place. So let's see what. Not sure exactly how to get that out of there. I don't know. This is going to take some work to figure that out. But it looks like you loosen to the left, tighten to the right, and that locks it in place. So that may take some work to get this figured out exactly how that's going to work. Okay, well there we go. I got it level. Well, more or less. That's going to take some work to get that lined up properly. Put it back to the left, tighten it like this. Most of the time I'm going to use it. It's not going to be that fully extended. So I'll put that back like that. Okay, so far so good. Got stuff to learn. Okay, this is for the iPhone mount. Put your camera in here, and then you get the quick release off of this, off your camera. Take this off and show you that. real quick if I can get it off there. There it goes. Okay, so now put that on there, and I'll try to tighten it up. This is real time, unrehearsed, so if it looks a little funky, it is. It's called reality. My reality doesn't always work per plan. Okay, so now that fits on there like that. Goes really sturdy. Then you tighten this little screw up. Okay, there we go. Now I can put it, if I want to do a landscape with my iPhone, or if I want to release in the back here. Looks like it's got different angles you can put it at, tighten it up. Let's see if this, okay, this would expand, so good. I've got one with a case on it. That looks like that'll fit nicely in there. This is fairly sturdy. So overall, I'm looking forward to using this, especially on the trip we're taking, and see how it works. And we'll do some experiments with it. So thank you for watching, and hope you learned a little bit about this little tripod. I did, and I'll give it 2 thumbs up for the moment.